So today I'm fishing an outgoing tide. It's about 11 o'clock right now. Low tide's at 2:45. Pretty cold today. The air temperature right now is 42 degrees. The water temperature is 48. So I'm a little early to the spot that I want to fish as far as the tide goes. The tide's still up a little bit too high. I want to take the time to announce the first sponsors of this channel. The company Salt Life is a sponsor of the channel now. They make clothes like this jacket and the shirt I'm wearing, the sunglasses I'm wearing. So if you want to check out Salt Life, I'll have the website linked in the description of this video. The other sponsor is the company that makes this reel that I'm using. The company is called IRT Reels. Some more information about this reel. It's about the size of a 3000 spinning reel. I have it spooled with 15-pound braid. I got a 20-pound fluorocarbon leader on it, and I'm throwing a 1/4 ounce jig head. It's on a 7-foot medium light rod. I'm going to mostly be using it today to target trout. You're going to see me using this reel a lot, so I'll link you directly to this reel that I'm using on their website, and you can check it out if you're interested. I'm really excited to have these sponsors because they're going to help grow the channel more. So if you want to learn more about them, go check out Salt Life and IRT Reels. I'll have both their websites linked in the description of this video down below. So another reel that you're going to be seeing me use a lot on this channel is this Pin Fierce 3000. I actually won this in a YouTube giveaway from the channel Harmon Outdoors. So if you like YouTube videos of fishing in Beaufort, South Carolina, you should check out his channel, Harmon Outdoors. He gives away pin reels for his subscribers, every certain amount of subscribers that he gets. So I'm starting off today targeting trout, and how I'm doing that is I'm gonna be at a deep spot in a creek, and I'll be throwing a 1/4 ounce jig head with a Bass Assassin chicken on chain color paddle tail. And if that doesn't work, I'll switch it up. So this is a spot where I've had a lot of success this winter with trout, but tide's up really high, so see if they're biting yet. If not, I just gotta wait for the water to come down. All right, first fish of the day. I don't know what it is. Feels pretty heavy, but it's in the current, so we'll find out. Oh, it's a real heavy. It's gotta be a nice size red. Can't tell yet. Saw it, but yeah, it's gotta be a red. Yep. And now I gotta be careful because the current is gonna drag me right into oysters. Not the best situation. That is a nice red. Got him on the Bass Assassin paddle tail on a 1/4 ounce jig head because the water is still pretty high. I'll switch to an 1/8 ounce later. Alright, now, if possible, I want to anchor up so I don't keep floating away. Because this water is still flowing out really strong, and it's gonna pull me all the way back. There we go. My anchor falls in the ground. Now I can deal with this fish without floating away. Perfect hook right in the corner of the mouth. Probably a 23-inch fish. Might be perfect. Keeper size. $24.5. These ones are really fun to fight when they get this size. Alright, time for the release. There it goes. If you're enjoying this video so far, leave a like, it really helps out. And here's something I always do, especially in the winter time, is make another cast in that same exact spot that I just caught that fish. Because usually there is more. No! Ah, I think I had a trout and it got off. Had to have been a trout. Water's getting lower, so I switched to a lighter jig. This is an 1/8 ounce jig head with a Bass Assassin electric chicken color. Been working really good lately. So the water's dropped a lot, but there's still more to drop. But at least I can tell the current has slowed down. So we're getting a lot closer to low tide now. Any minute now, I should be able to hook into a fish. Sure, the second I turn the camera off is when I'll hook one. A few minutes after I turn the camera off, we got a fish. What is it? A little red. Keeper size red. On the electric chicken paddle tail. Probably a 17, 18 inch fish. Not terrible. Not a terrible keeper. Not keeping fish today though. Got 3 spots on that side. Alright, just gonna let it go. Try to get some more. Alright, should have kept the camera on. The very next cast, I hook a trout. Not a big one. Not even keeper size. But it was the cast right after I released that small red. Third fish of the day, first trout of the day. Electric chicken paddle tail. It's probably 13 inches, 13 and a half. See if I can get some bigger ones. Alright, camera's on, there's fish up here. See if we can get unlucky and somehow not catch one with the camera on. There we go. Small trout. At least it worked this time with the camera on. Oh, and it's gone. There's a fish. Oh, a little bit bigger. Just a keeper red. I'm gonna release it real fast because there's more fish around and I can only stay here for a little bit unless I want to get stuck here. I'm gonna go target trout in a little bit. So let's see if I can get another one, and then I'll move on to the trout. There's a bite. How'd I miss it? Wow. Must have been a trout. Another bite. There. He took, oh, that's probably a trout. Oh, he took it. How did I not get the hook in him? I found where some of the trout were sitting. Got another smaller size trout. Not a keeper size. But at least I caught one. Bite's a little bit slower today than it's been recently. I think because of the colder weather. See if I can get some more. Oh, that's a nice hit. Not a big fish. The trout, I think it's a little bit bigger. No. Yeah, maybe a little bit bigger, but nothing big. Probably not even a keeper, or just close to keeper size. I think it's probably the 5th trout of the day so far, so not bad. Yeah, he might be a keeper, but I'm not keeping fish, so no point in measuring it. Another smaller sized trout. At least they're biting. This one actually hit it pretty hard. That might be the smallest one of the day though. Electric chicken paddle tails when I'm catching them on. Trout. Another trout, this one's same size pretty much. Well, maybe a little bit bigger. That one might be a keeper. Looks like a keeper. Another trout. That one's bigger too. Probably keeper. Not a bad sized trout. Another trout in a different area this time. Good to know I can find them in another spot. Not big or anything. Had a couple bites right here, so I'll sit here, throw some more casts. Another trout, and he got off. All right, another trout, about the same size. They're all around the same size. Actually, this one's probably a little bit bigger. Nope. Yeah, that was a keeper probably. Seem to be getting a bite every cast, so I'll leave the camera on for one cast. Battery's getting close to dying though. There's a bite. Yep. Yeah, every cast right now at this little spot that I found. Another smaller one. But it's okay. They're fun to catch. It's all catch and release today anyways. Probably 12 inches. Another trout. Not a bad size one. That's a keeper size. Camera battery's gonna die soon. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's probably 15 inches. It's probably a 15-inch trout. Probably caught 10 trout today total, maybe. There it goes. This is the end of the video. I caught at least 5 trout. I lost count. None that were big. And then I think 3 reds. The biggest one was 24 inches, I believe. Still a good day, and I didn't spend very much time fishing. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe.